Hit it for a bump. Okay, turn it on. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, YouTube probably found out why it wasn't getting no spark. Check this out. Faulty spark plugs, and I don't know if you can look down up in there. Yeah, I wasn't getting no fire or nothing.